What's up, YouTube family? It's Sister Find Out. I'm back with another video for you, and today is dedicated to my pre-nursing students or those who are considering going back to nursing, maybe for a second degree for you. So I have compiled a list just for you of several things to consider before applying for school. So number one that I got for you guys is, if you don't even like to help people or you're just there for money, just stop right there. Everyone is going to suffer in the process, be it you or the patient. Years down the line, you're just going to be miserable if you're only there for the money. And your patient is going to get the short end of the stick in the matter, because you not caring is going to show in your care. Okay. Number two is, nursing is so much more than medical care. You play so many different roles. You can be a housekeeper, a runner, like getting snacks, getting drinks, doing all that. You're the liaison between the medical doctor and the patient, the family. You are an advocate for the patient, amongst other roles. And it can be somewhat hard to juggle all those roles, and that's the challenge that is nursing. Number three, are there certain things that nursing school cannot ever prepare you for? You can do all the select, all the apply, all the multiple choice, true, false questions that there are in the world, and you can get into the clinical environment and just kind of have a brain freeze and pause because of the shock of everything. And when your emotions are involved, it's a completely different story. And things like that are like death, aggressive family members, a violent patient, or hostility between you and coworkers or doctors. Number four is, at clinicals or anything that your professors tell you about, run toward those opportunities. Those will help you gain experience, especially in moments where you're not getting too much in. Just run toward those experiences. Be it even a small task, an NG tube insertion, an IV insertion. Those little things will help you become a better nurse, as well as improve your bedside manner. My number five is very important. It is knowing your study style. You should already know this before you enter nursing school, how you best absorb your information, be it charts, graphs, just reading verbally in groups, solo with the professor. And just remember that it's not how much you're studying, it's how effective you're studying. So it's all going to start with this question. Number six is, learn to lead a balanced lifestyle. And by balance, I mean being able to schedule times where you have moments where you can restore yourself, because nursing school is going to drain you mentally, physically, and emotionally. So that's spending time with your family, maybe getting a massage, drinking a little wine, going shopping. Number seven for me is so important, and it takes a village, and your peers are going to be playing a major role in your success in school. So I would say, as soon as you enter nursing school, find a small group of people that you can use as your support system. These are the same people who are going to be laughing, crying with you, growing with you, eventually graduating with you. They are going to know exactly how you're feeling in the moment that everything is occurring. So my number eight is, you will never ever feel like you are stuck in nursing. If you're tired of bedside, there are so many different avenues to go into. You can even advance your education and go into management, be a nurse practitioner, education. Number nine, make sure that you don't get yourself down. You don't take it to heart that you aren't able to grasp everything. I've been a nurse 6 years now, and I cannot grasp everything. There's nurses who've been in the game 30, 40 years, and they're unable to grasp everything. Just know that you should remain open-minded to new experiences, new technology, new education out there. Number 10, know that nursing is super flexible, and that as a regular floor nurse, you only are required to work 3 12-hour shifts a week. That equates to about 36 hours, give or take some overtime. So that leaves a lot of open time to pursue other careers or another supplemental income. So my 11 is also a really important one, and this will help keep you organized. So in school, you'll have maybe 4 to 5 classes like I did, 3 to 4 which were nursing, and I had like 1 or 2 that weren't. And things got confusing when it came to finals dates, tests, quizzes, assignments due. So invest in a good planner. This will lessen the burden that you already have on you because you're in nursing school and that's hectic. Okay, back at number 12. Save your back ahead of time. Nursing books can be excruciatingly heavy, like this thick, and that was like in my first year. Those are like my general med-surg classes. So a good investment is a rolling backpack, which may not look so cool, but you know, neither is a broken back. But what I did in school, I just kind of drove my car as close to the building that I was going to be having a lecture as possible. And I just kept my books there, and so between classes I would switch them out. Number 13 is stay connected with your classmates. So a good idea is to create a Facebook page, make it private, and basically invite all the people that are in your nursing class so that you guys can stay connected. If something was forgotten in class or you need to reference something, you guys can just put it there, and so everyone's on one accord. Also, you can do like Google Hangout type thing, Google Docs, and just add all your classmates. Say you have a really good study guide and you guys can go off that. Also, if you have like a smaller group that you associate with on a daily basis like I did in school, create a group me so you guys can just message each other. It just makes it easier. And my final one is number 14, and that is to meal prep if you can. It's so easy to have food at hand while you're in school and to just snack at whatever's there, not even thinking twice about how much you're putting in your body and what you're putting in your body. So meal prep if you can at home, pack your lunch, do anything you can just to kind of feed your brain the stuff that it needs to get the information situated in you. And so that you're not gaining weight. Like I was snacking on Chick-fil-A because that's what was there at school for me. I was a freshman. I didn't have a kitchen, anything like that. So whatever was made was what I was taking. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little something, or at least one thing, I don't know. But I will definitely be making other videos for you. And in regards to nursing, travel, food, and just general lifestyle. And I hope to see you guys again. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, definitely shoot me a message, put them below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you guys next time.